Hi guys, TheAirsoftGuy here, the Airsoft guy with something airsoft finally. This is my new sniper. It didn't come with the scope, but it did come with a speed loader, a big strap, and yes, it has adjustable cheek rest and stock. Magazine release is in the bottom. Push this button, it sometimes gets stuck. Pops out a little bit, pull it out. The bullet did just come out there, but hey. It does, like, sometimes fail, the magazine, so. Okay, it's in properly now. The scope was €60, and it is very good. The sniper came in two parts, the barrel and all the firing mechanism, and then just this plastic bit. Yeah, that's about it. Nice trigger.
We'll be back in a moment to show you how it shoots.
Back with the shooting test. Yes, it turned the safety off. I'll be trying to hit that metal pole coming out of the floor.
Water tap.
Okay, this is to load. Just lift it up, pull back, make sure it doesn't spring forward, push it back, close it, and then now I'm going to be trying to hit it. Okay, I missed by a fraction. Load it again. Try again.
Hit.
Yep.
Swag machine.
Let's try a bit further. It is 440 FPS, so
We'll be back in a second.
alright, we're back again. I'm going to be aiming at that electrical post, a bit further away, but the closest electrical post. Okay, take aim, load. I hit it, which was quite surprising.
Yeah, he's a bit shaky, but thank you for watching. Spliff Monkey, the Airsoft Guy, Doc Flock, goodbye.